Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) today announced its new team of national office bearers under National President Nitin Nabin. Former Union Minister Smriti Irani has been appointed National General Secretary, while Ram Madhav, who previously served as the party's National General Secretary, has been elevated to National Vice President. B.L. Santosh has been reappointed National General Secretary Organisation, while Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has been appointed National Treasurer. Professor Tariq Mansoor from Polban, Uttar Pradesh, is the lone Muslim office bearer in the new team. Bengaluru South MP Tejashwi Surya has been replaced as Yuva Morcha President by Dr. Hemang Joshi. It also includes Chirag Singh Rawat, Manpreet Singh Badal, Ram Madhav, Vajayant J. Panda and D. Purna Rendeshwari among the national vice presidents.